Want to block Temu emails but not sure how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to stop those unwanted emails from Temu. Let's get started. Open your email associated with your Temu account. Open any email sent by Temu. Tap on the vertical ellipsis icon next to unsubscribe. You will find the option Block Temu. Finally, tap on it to block Temu emails. And that's it. You have successfully blocked Temu emails. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.